It's the Power 93.7 WBLK and KeyBank Money Minute with Yasmin Young.
A lot of us get paid by direct deposit. Kawanza Humphrey, VP of KeyBank, is here to talk about making your direct deposit work harder for you.
Yasmin, one way to take advantage of your direct deposit is to consider splitting your payroll. When the money goes straight into your savings account, you'll be less likely to spend it. Diverting a fixed dollar amount or a percentage of your paycheck into a savings account via direct deposit makes it a breeze to save automatically.
So what's the advantage of using your direct deposit to automatically set aside money for savings?
46% of adults would be unable to cover a $400 emergency expense. They'd have to borrow money or sell something in order to do so. Think about it. Saving $50 a month over 5 years, it adds up to $3,000. The key to savings is time, patience, and consistency. And a good way to help with that is through your direct deposit.
For more in-depth information and resources, visit WBLK.com.
Cash count stacks, the #1 station in town. On the money.